We got some jambalaya going on our second night here. Got some sausage, beans, rice. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna put this Secret Stash IPA in there into the jambalaya here. This will add a little flavor. Oh, that's hot.
That's good.
All right. All right, we're just about done with the dinner. Got the jambalaya cooking, it's pretty thick. Garlic bread's going fucking nice and toasty. We got a lovely fire going. Nice and low, smoky, so we can get that smoky flavor on our food.
Yeah, even that jambalaya will pick up a little of the smoke.
Yeah. All right, we're doing the Secret Stash IPA from Widmer, Portland, Oregon. 60 IBUs, 6.2% alcohol by volume. Yep. As you saw earlier, we just poured some into our jambalaya here. Good meal to have on the summer here, or on the winter rain, I suppose. That's a beautiful head. It's got that golden dark honey color.
Yeah, nice.
There you go. We got some garlic bread, the jambalaya. We figured we'd do this review with dinner because we kind of cooked it in there. Plus we thought it'd be a good pairing as well. So
Nice and light.
Yeah, it's light.
Good, gentle, hoppy nose, though, you know? Yeah, very light.
Yeah, really good. You still got that hoppy, piney nose and taste with it.
Yeah.
In the jambalaya, it kind of helped because, you know, I almost thought I poured too much in there, but it thickened up real nice and I'm not quite sure if it added a lot of flavor to it or not, but I'm assuming it did. So,
some good beer flavor in there.
yeah. But
And it even took on a little smoke, and with that beer.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, the jambalaya tastes a little, like a little richer after drinking that a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Like it's fairly rich and tomatoey and kind of beefy, and there's good sausage in there and red beans and everything. But
Yep. The rice.
Yeah, I put some beef base in there and bunch of Cajun spice, and
nice.
Good with this beer.
It'd also be good with like chilies. Nothing too heavy though. Like I guess jambalaya is kind of heavy, but
yeah, nice and rich though. And this being kind of a lighter IPA, really, they work well with each other.
Yeah, the lightness of this is really good.
Yeah,
this trip's been kind of full of these light IPAs, and I'm kind of liking that because you know, we've had too many of the heavy stuff. And
yeah, this is a good pairing. For sure.
So, nice. Secret Stash IPA.
Yeah.
Fucking port,
campfire
whatever
jambalaya.
Yeah. And fucking, it's good.